Viidakkopolku 8 staircase Stegen. Koivukylä, Björkby, Vantaa, Vantaa, Finland. Built in late 2001, completed in 2002, 8 persons, 630 grams, 1513D. It's going to be completed next year, 2020.
Wait, should we try -1? I think...
Try that. No, it doesn't. I don't think it has a -1.
Yeah, it doesn't have.
Look at this, they used a pen to mark 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 are not
Very
used.
smart.
Yeah, they are not used, you see.
Yeah. This one has the maintainer been changed to Kony.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually. Yeah. Turning 20 years old in 2021, and it looks like it's always been Kony maintaining it.
No, it hasn't.
Yeah. Inspected by, maintained by Kony.
Yeah. That's it.
That's